Hey y'all, it's your girl Corporate Carolyn, and I am wrapping up my work day, but I'm a little behind schedule, mainly because I had a mammogram today. You know, you got to get your girls looked after, and it's almost October, which is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So check, that's one thing off the list. Make sure if you're due for that, you're doing it, because I've already lost one friend to breast cancer, and I don't want to lose any more. And then let's see what else. And then someone who watched my video yesterday about the anti-aging hacks, she's under the same impression that I am about it's better to see something than say something. So she mentioned that it looked like my lymph nodes were swollen above my collarbone, and only for me to go through a whole bunch of trouble to get someone from my doctor's office to say that I just have bony collarbones. And then your girl uses Vaseline, which is a wonderful moisturizing hack for looking younger as well. And so the way I was sitting with the bony collarbones and that Vaseline, it looked as though they were swollen. They are not, they're just bony. And so no hard feelings. I would rather someone say something and me find out that it's all well instead of me not knowing something. So no dig at that person. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. But the reason I'm back now is because I'm a little behind schedule. I still have some work to do, but I wanted to share something with you guys. You notice I'm wearing a cardigan. It's the first cardigan since the summer started, because the fall is almost here. Today it was like in the 50s. Even though I wasn't outside, it was a little cooler, and so I needed to wear two pieces for the mammogram. And so I wanted to share, not only do I have a sundress collection, but I also have a cardigan collection. And this is one that I got from where is it? I think TJ Maxx, and I believe it's by Theory. The skirt I got from, and it's like a skirt that, you know, it's kind of fitted at the waist, and I didn't realize it's not fully done, maybe because of my mammogram. But anyway, I like to try to create a waist because I don't really have a waist. So cardigans with slim fitting skirts, it's a great way to create a waist. Or even if you have a skirt that kind of flows outward, as long as it's cinched in the waist, it makes you look slimmer. So no matter if you still have 10, 15, 20 pounds to lose and I'm burning up, you still are able to to wear things that accentuate your figure. So, but with that said, I highly recommend that if you don't have a cardigan collection, that maybe you'll get one as well. And so I wanted to share a few of them because now the oven's on and I really need to get done. The oven, the lights, oh my goodness, I'm burdened up. But here's another cardigan that I got. One of the pieces of advice I'll give you is that you definitely should get a size lower than what you wear. Like if you're a medium, get a small. If you're large, get a medium. And the reason I say that is because you want it to be fitted if you're going to create an actual, waistline or make yourself look slimmer than what you really are. And so for this one, this was my size. I found it at TJ Maxx for less than $40. And so I had the tailor take it up on the size because you don't want any bunched up material underneath your arms or at your waist because it accentuates bumps and lumps and you don't really want that. So I got one of these, and so I can wear that with a host of things to dress up things that might not be as dressy. This one, White House Black Market, probably the outlet. Like whenever I'm out of town and traveling, I love to stop by their store just to see if they have anything. By the same token, this one was from TJ Maxx. It's by Tahari, and it looks great with these slacks that I'm going to wear it with. And this is a size below what I normally wear, and it's very cinched at the waist. It helps to snatch you without you having to wear like a girdle or any sort of waist trainer. And I never liked waist trainers because all it does is it forces the fat to go up. And like you're having to hold your arms like this. So I would rather get something that kind of smooths along instead of something that restricts you. So, but anyway, you know your body best, so you make those decisions. But here's another one from White House Black Market as well, and I use it over dresses, like some of those Calvin Klein dresses that I get from Saks Off Fifth. I'm able to put it on top, especially if a little cleavage might be showing on something. These help make things more conservative for the office. So it's a great transition from office to evening. If you're going into the office and you don't want everybody seeing all of this, you can easily cover things up with a cardigan. And then here's another one. I've worn this one to pieces. It's also from White House Black Market. And like, say if you don't like the buttons, you can always go to like a Joann Fabrics or wherever beautiful buttons are sold. And I found some rhinestone-like buttons, and I had my tailor put them on, but I stretched this one. I wish I would have bought multiple ones of these, because stepping in and out of it, so I wouldn't have to undo the buttons, I've kind of maybe ruined it a little bit. And then this one, I love to go to Premium or Tanger outlets, or maybe it's Tanger outlets, I'm not sure, but I like to pop into the Polo store as well as the White House Black Market outlet. And I found this by Ralph Lauren, and it goes wonderfully with that sundress that you guys might have seen me wear before, where it looks like I'm popping out of the top with the little bust that I do have, but it goes nicely with that or any other item that you might want to pair it with. And then this one, I have to admit, this has been my obsession. I got it from not White House, but Saks Fifth Off Fifth. First, it's by Leah and Viola. First, it was on sale for $49.99. I said, hey, that's wonderful. And it looks wonderful with the Joe's jeans that I wound up getting there. And a lot of people think I'm taller than I am. I'm 5'7.5". But like, it's hard to find jeans that when I wear heels, that the jeans actually are long enough. I'm like right in that in between. I'm not short, but I'm not tall. And so if I try to buy long jeans, they're going to be too long. So White House Black Market is a great place for us in between ladies who want, like longer jeans that are no higher than the $89.99 price point. And so this goes wonderfully with those, because you can like show off your belt if you have like a little emblem on it. And then also it goes nicely with sundresses or other, beautiful dresses as well. And so like they have started to lower it. So I bought another one at $39.99, and then I was on their website and I saw that they had some on clearance for $29.99 in my size. So I bought 2 of those. So I have 4 of these. So if I'm ever in a restaurant and somebody spills something on it and I want to go, and I'm like, okay, praise the Lord, I have 3 more at home. That's the beauty of it. I like to be able, like say if balls get on this, just whatever could happen in the course of life, at least I can just replace it. And so I'll be wearing these for years to come, God willing. And then here's another one from Saks Fifth Off Fifth that looked really cute with the day where I was talking about my hair and I was trying to decide what I was going to do with it, where I was getting ready to get ready, and I let you guys tune in. I forget what I was talking about. But anyway, when I got dressed, I put this cardigan on over that little bodysuit that I was wearing, and then I paired it with a white skirt with a beautiful black belt with a silver little emblem that was sticking out. If I have a picture, I'll show that. And then here's one that I have in my car for like if I go to a restaurant. This was from White House Black Market as well. It goes wonderful with sundresses. It can go with jeans or shorts or whatever, but it's something that I wear in restaurants when it's cold instead of doing the pashminas like I used to get from Ross and Marshall's, where I'd be sitting at a basketball game and like going like this, and my sons used to crack up and they thought it was kind of like old lady moves. So I've moved away from pashminas and I like shrugs and cardigans. So I have a cardigan collection. I encourage you to get one as well, because like I said, it can create a waist, it can dress things up, it can make you look slimmer. But just make sure you get them in the right size that actually fits you. So speaking of a last collection, before I get dinner going, because my husband's home now, I have another collection. I don't know if you can see it here. A lot of times you'll see one lone little bottle of polish that I keep on the table when I'm working. because like after I do my devotion before I start working, I touch up my nails with Essie's Set in Stones. Normally I would find it at Target, but Target has been very lame lately. While they have the Mielle rosemary oil that I like for my hair, whereas Walmart now very rarely has it, they've been very skimp on this. They have every other type of Essie product, but they normally do not have this. And so if you've ever noticed, my nails are always the same. I don't want to do manicures or pedicures. I'd rather add some money to that and get me a pair of shoes. I just really hate waiting. I don't like to waste time, and it feels like a waste of time to me. So I buy this for $8.99. And also CVS has it, but again, you might go there and there's only one, and I want to buy at least 3 at once. So I'll have one here, one in my makeup bag for when I travel, maybe one in my purse or in my car, so if I need to touch something up. And what I love about it is you don't have to use nail polish remover. You can actually, like if it gets thick enough, you can just peel it and it'll come right off, and then I just like, you know, cover right over. This goes in the trash. So what I did, praise the Lord for Amazon, because I ordered 7, because ain't nobody got time for that, you know, wondering if I'm going to be able to find it. And I've gotten so lazy. My husband calls me a hybrid because like I'm part old and I'm part millennial, because we have millennials, and I don't like to go from store to store. I'm done with that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Either you have what I want or you don't. And like when I fool with Walmart, I'm using their app and they're filling my trunk. And I might pop in for a second, but I'm not trying to spend all day in Walmart, Target, any other store. So I ordered these from Amazon, and I bought 7. And they were like $8.99. That's about the price point that you'll find it at CVS or at Target. So so I think I'm covered for a little while. So that's another part of my collection. And also my toes are the exact same color. So that saves me a lot of time. I'm not wondering, you know, like, is my polish gonna chip, and you know, do I need to get some nail polish remover? And you know, I'm tired of hearing my husband say, oh, that's so strong, it's so strong. So I just keep, you know, just keep polishing it right over, and I'm gonna keep my nail polish collection strong too. Maybe as the fall is going along, I'll show you my combat boot collection as I start to switch out my shoe selection as the fall comes along. But stay tuned for that. But for now, that's all I have. Hopefully you guys have a good one. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel, and also my foot slip, and also any new subscribers, I really appreciate it. Old subscribers, I appreciate you too, but I appreciate you. Thanks so much. Have a good one. Bye bye.